Alright guys, here's a video on how to do your pads on the front of a 2013 Tacoma 5-lug. I'm assuming this will do a bunch of other years, but I've seen a lot of videos online that have a lot of how-tos that don't match this at all. This is a single cylinder, and most of the videos online are for the double. They tell you to go back here, remove the 17s, and pull the whole thing apart. But I've done this once before, and I realized there's a much better way. If you just pull this, it's a 14. There's two of them that hold part of the caliper, part of the assembly, this part actually, onto the rotor. So if you pull this 14 off, I've got it loose already. You can actually leave the bottom one on. Let me back up. This whole thing slides. And don't let it hang like I have right here. Hook it up with a zip tie or something. And then there it is. You pull your pads, one on each side. You compress the caliper. I've used a big old C-clamp to compress the piston far enough. Once it's far enough, you slide it back on. You put your 14 back, and you go to the other wheel.